had spies in the base?
Ciao! Hey guys, L-Star18,000 here, aka, this is gonna be my new series.
Baba Booey.
Why? Because, why not? What's gonna happen is that today I am going to do mukbang. First we got chips and raisins and nuts. So it's time to do a mukbang. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to get close to this mic and do mukbang ASMR. But what I'm actually going to do is actually going to react to some ridiculous mukbang videos. Mukbang means eating show. And basically what that means is that it's very, very satisfying to watch. Or if you're a normal human being, it's very, very disgusting, and sometimes they go a little bit too extreme. Yeah, sound like a Russian. Anyway, let's get started on this. Disclaimer, I'm in no way attacking any of these fine mukbang folks. I'm just expressing my feelings and expressing how extreme mukbangs can get from time to time.
Hey everyone, future L-Star18,000 here, and I would like to point out that this video is being edited by Uncle Henry and me. I did only some small parts, he's doing the whole video, and since he's doing the whole video for free, I would like to give him a little shout out. Basically, his medias will be in the description, so please follow him, please subscribe to him. He's a really good bud. Yeah, so please. And if you want to see me play video games with him, go subscribe to Gmod Add-on Reviews and his YouTube channel, because you get to see more of me. Anyway, back to the video.
Alright, the first mukbang we're going to be looking at is weirdest mukbang foods ever. Like, WTF, not ASMR. I'm going to be the judge of that, and let's see if I fall asleep or not. Is that, are those like chips? Oh, they are. Okay, here's a little context. I know exactly what these are because I ate them while growing up myself. Basically, what you do is that you get these chips. They are like really hard and wrinkly. And what you do is that you put them in hot oil, and they just turn into big, delicious puffs of shrimp chips. And a lot of you may say that's disgusting, but I grew up on this stuff, and let me tell you, it was extremely delicious. So, to be honest, I understand why Americans would think that this is weird, but to me, it's pretty neutral. They would also come in different colors, which is pretty nice. And no, I can't understand her. She's really enjoying it. Oh my god, what is that? I'm guessing that's... I don't know what that is actually. Okay, I'm from Vietnam, and I don't know... Oh, what's that? Okay, so the last thing I saw, I didn't recognize, but I don't recognize these. These look pretty... Oh! They're chocolate decorated as apples. Chocolate cake decorated as apples. At least that's my guess. It looks like chocolate. Okay, that is a bitter melon, and let me tell you, those things are disgusting. They stand up to their name. I don't know what that is, but it looks like something to come out of a bubble tea shop.
抓鱼喽
Jesus Christ, fix your mic. That's a gummy. That's just a gummy fish. It's like Swedish fish, except not as good. To be honest, I can understand why she's liking this.
小口红冰块。
Did he just eat? Please tell me that's not real. That is not real lipstick. That is no. I'm guessing it's not real, but that's a lot of lipstick too. No, don't do that. I'm guessing that's mochi right there. It's like mochi, not in anything else. It's just pure fresh mochi. Wait a minute, what is that? She has the oiled pan. She has the oiled pan again. Are they going to turn into something? Oh, so that's how they're made. Basically, it's just crispy. Usually, when I was young, you would just add it to your pho or soup, and it will make it taste delicious. It will add that subtle crunch to your broth. To be honest, it does taste like nothing when you eat it raw like that. And then we have more Swedish fish. She is eating it like Swedish fish. Gotta say, it does look the oh. What is that? I know it's the yin yang symbol. I don't. Is that? No, that's not mochi, isn't it? Well, let me just. Well, what do I even say after watching that? Well, that was a different kind of video. That was a somewhat fine video. And let me tell you, not all mukbangs are that bad. Considering I'm Asian, all mukbangs that are seen weird are just Americans just making compilations of Asian people eating Asian food. And that's perfectly understandable. We are very different in a way. And sure, we do have better plushies than you. Okay, the next mukbang video that I'm going to watch is, well, looking by the worst mukbangs ever, all of these look pretty horrible. I gotta say that. The most disgusting mukbang videos I wish I never seen. Now, what I'm going to say is that this is probably full of American and Asian and somewhat European eating or foods. But what I'm gonna say is that I'm not gonna judge a book by its cover. I'm going to look and see what's inside this 3-minute and 5-second video. No. What are you doing? No! Right off the bat, I already seen something weird. And this is European because escargot is a delicacy in France. I know that for a fact, and just not live. Oh my god. No! Did you just... Oh. Did you just... You ate the wax and the bees. Are you insane? What the hell is that? What the actual hell is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? No. What is that? Is that a clam tongue? I may be Vietnamese, but I can't read the language, so... Oh! Hey guys! No, she is eating live bugs. Live bugs, I am telling you. And let me tell you, this is disgusting. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna have to put a warning up in this video.
There's juice. There's juice in it.
Another one eating bugs. This time he's ripping it apart with his teeth. No. The bug is like, kill me, please. No, I don't want to be eaten. Kill me another way. Oh my god. And then I stopped because I started feeling sick. Bye. Anyway, that was probably disgusting and weird for the viewers. Ooh! Anyway, thank you so much for watching this reaction. Again, the links are in the description. I do not take responsibility if these videos get, I don't know, copyrighted or something. I do not take responsibility in taking any profits from these videos. But I would recommend that you guys just tone it down. Please. Please don't attack these mukbangers because they're doing their, well, so right job? I don't know anymore, man. Anyway, like and subscribe. Please, no. Please don't do a mukbang. Unless you are Matt Stoney, you can do mukbang, just not slowly and like an actual fucking beast. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.